How to post a GIF in a Facebook comment. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Now, in order to post a GIF in your Facebook comment, find any post that you would like to do so, then tap on Comment section, then tap on Write a comment. Just beside the camera option, you will see GIF option as well. Tap onto it. Here you will see various GIF. Now type in the GIF that you would like to comment. For instance, I'm going to type in here happy. And then it will show you all the GIF that is related with happy word. Tap on anyone that you would like to comment. Then once done, tap on the send icon. And just like so, now you can see that my GIF has been posting for this Facebook post. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then please like and subscribe.